Talofa, kia orana, malo lele, malo ni talofa lava. Maori, ni sapula vinaka, whakalofa lahi atu, bonjour, tēnā koutou katoa, and warm Pacific greetings to you all. The Pacific Cooperation Foundation is incredibly pleased to support this inaugural Pacific Cooperation Foundation Leadership Awards. PCF Youth Leadership Awards encourage and reward service leadership to benefit our communities, not just in Aotearoa, New Zealand, but also the Pacific region.
From the mountains flow the blessing to the villages. You are the young mountains. These are the older mountains and you are the younger mountains. Older or younger, high or lower, you are nevertheless mountains. Mountains protect the villages by blocking off the wild elements. Mountains nurture the village by ensuring that the water that flows from that mountain is crystal clear and clean. But if the waters are dirty and murky, the villages will suffer. And so I charge you with that responsibility.
I stand here accepting this award and also knowing that there is no way that I could ever be the sole voice or that anyone could ever be the sole voice for our youth or our Pacifica people.
And this award is for every Black, Indigenous, queer person of colour who has held it down for the queer community.
Firstly, I want to thank my parents who are watching live from Papua New Guinea, my siblings. Thank you very much, you deserve this.
I would like to give thanks to God. My parents, my mom and dad, my mom especially, who has been a constant in my life, a remarkable woman who has raised 6 strong, intelligent, independent trailblazers. My massive family, friends around Aotearoa. Me like talk big thank you truly Blogeta. When I look at this award, may it remind me to be true to myself and to not follow someone else's version of success but mine.
It is an honor to be here as a Solomon Islander. Yes, I am a proud Solomon Islander and I am very happy to be. It's a great opportunity to be amongst beautiful people, you know, with rich values. And it's empowering and inspiring to see a lot of these awardees and all these mentors, all of us here, the supporters. It is inspiring.
I would like to especially dedicate this award to my parents, Vamatua Inu Dennis and Salino McGrath. Thank you for pushing me and my sister to give our 110% in everything that we do, because I know that even 100% isn't enough for you. I would like to use this opportunity to also express my sincerest gratitude to the Pacific Cooperation Foundation for giving me this unique opportunity. Through this award, I want to inspire other Pacific youth to pursue their most ambitious dreams.
I'm so privileged to be in a position where I'm educating young children to be confident in their identity. And this is something I'm going to continue to advocate for. So thank you so much. I feel so privileged.
My name is Lecky Burke. I hail from the proud town of 275 Mangere, one of the lowest socio-economic areas in New Zealand, but also known as the home of world champs, as our minister calls it. So, tonight I'd like to give 2 shout-outs to 2 of the most beautiful leaders who have emerged from my town, Mangere, and that's of course the Honourable Alpito William Suasio, and of course the beautiful Agnes Loheni as well from Mangere.
To my family, my parents, Mose and Alitasi Tanielu, who are watching from Samoa. Hi Mom, I love you, don't cry. I wish you were here. Thank you for raising me to be the man I am today. I am blessed to call you my parents.
For this opportunity. It's a blessing and I'm so proud to be Pacific and I'm so proud to be here today.
Yeah, thank you so much and congratulations to all of my other award winners. It was so nice to meet you all today and I'm really proud of all of us and I hope to see you somewhere out in the world.
I'd like to thank our family and friends and everyone who has supported my sister and I in getting to where we are. Without everyone's support, we wouldn't have made it here. To all the other awardees, we'd like to congratulate you and wishing you all the best with your life and your journey. It is inspiring to me to see all the Pacific Islander role models in the sporting industry, and it makes me proud to see the growth and development of young athletes. I hope one day I inspire more young Pacific Islander athletes to pursue their dreams in sports and their studies. Thank you.
It takes a village to raise a child. And my achievement tonight and the recipients here is a testament to the amazing work of the men and women who raised us. E le lava le lanu ni upu e momoli atu ai le angangal whawhitai. Whawhitai lava lo tau wangan le, lao tau pule lea.